Hello everyone. This is my new YouTube channel. I would like to put here videos presenting various types of electronic equipment repairs. In this video, I would like to present you the exchange of display on the Samsung Galaxy J5 from 2017. If you have done such repairs in the past, you shouldn't have any problems with this model. The most difficult stage is detaching the display from the housing. Then, clean the frame thoroughly and glue to the new screen as I showed it on the video. The cost of the display module is around $300. You can find cheaper Chinese replacements, but the quality of their performance differs from the original. The screen was dismantled. Before you paste a new display, first, connect it to the motherboard to check if it works properly. Okay, ooh yeah, the phone has come back to life. I will check if the touch works properly. If this is the case, just clean the frame and remove the adhesive films from the display. If you want me to put more of this type of content here, please give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments regarding this video below. I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I wish you nice watching, and see you.